Eileen Foyle here with Western Motor. Not going to the doctor today. I just want to give you some great tips on how to do tire maintenance, keep you safe on the road, and keep others safe on the road. Winter months, we usually get a little bit of snow. We haven't got a lot this year so far, but we do have ice, rain. All those factors do make a difference on how well your tires grip the road. And it's very, very important for your safety and your confidence on the road. I'm going to show you a few tires. Some of these are pretty extreme factors, but you can get the idea of what to look for on your own. So if you'll take a look at this tire here, we've got a very large wear pattern on the center of the tire. And what's happened here is this is actually caused from inflation. Too much air in this tire has actually made this type of a dome factor. So the only part of the tire that was actually touching the road was the center. And that's why this got severely worn and the sides still look fairly new. Now, when you walk up to your vehicle, you're gonna see this on the outside and you're gonna go, oh, I'm in great shape. When in fact, you are not. Idea being, if you're trying to check your tires on your own, would be to actually get in your vehicle, turn your steering wheel so that you're actually seeing the actual tire itself and taking a look at the full length of the tire, inside to outside. That way you get the idea of, do I have a wear pattern on there that I do not want, okay? Or, that way you'd know if I've got an inflation issue. Most of your modern vehicles now have a tire pressure light on them. They will let you know whether you have too little air or too much air. It's the same thing in its mind. If it's got too much, it's gonna come on also. The way you drive, all right? The shotgun starts, coming to a stop as quickly as you possibly can. Those factors, your tires will wear quicker. The front wheel drive vehicle, the shotgun starts will wear those front tires faster. And of course, when you brake, your brakes are braking in the front. You rarely use your back ones. That's usually for emergency brake. Those things will cause your quick gun starts, stops. Those things are going to make your tires wear faster. Also, racing, turning, those also will wear your tires out quickly for you too. I just want to show you some deals on the tire that you can recognize on your own and know that, okay, I'm getting close. If you take a look here, this is a brand new tire. All right, we've got some wear bars here. If you can notice, the wear bars are way down deep in the tread. All right, you've got this one. It's on the caution mark. You see how much closer those wear bars are coming to the top. All right, this is about a medium as far as tread depth goes. And then of course the tire that I showed you earlier, this is the tire that you are down to your wear bars. You are at the I must have tire stage here. The other thing on tires that you can look for that people don't have a tendency to notice, if you start getting cracks in between your tread, in here, cracks in here, you'll also start to notice cracks in here. That is also the time to get your tires replaced, because those cracks, they'll start to leak air is what's gonna happen. You get a bulge sometimes, just looks like a little dome on your tire, a little egg, for instance, on the side of your tire. Might be large, might be small. You start to see that little tire bulge on the sides of your tires, you've got an issue with that tire and it needs to be replaced right away. The other thing I wanted to mention here, that for instance, this tire was ran flat. And as you can see, we've got a crack that runs all the way around the tire. All right. The other thing I want to mention, if you take a good look on the inside, you see all that black powder? What has happened there is when you drive on this flat, you're actually disintegrating the inside of the tire. And that's why if somebody tells you, oh, you drove on it flat, it's not any good anymore, that is the reason why. It has actually disintegrated the inside, the part that you cannot see. And for safety reasons, that is the one reason this tire had to be replaced, is it was driven on flat. So tread depth is very important. Like I said, rain or snow, we've got to have a good grip on the road. So you never know, this part of the country, deer run out in front of you, you got to be able to brake and stop yourself.
One way, your way, Western Motor.